also both teams have done better at their World Cup. The U.S. is going after 3 World Cup championship in a row, and the
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Newton County in northwestern Indiana, Lake County in northwestern Indiana, until 12:15 a.m. At 11:30 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from the south side of Chicago to near Beecher to near Chavez, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Hammond, Gary, Portage, Merrillville, East Chicago, Schererville, Hobart, Crown Point, Highland, Munster, Cedar Lake, Lowell, Morocco, Lake Village, Griffith, Dyer, St. John, Lake Station, Lakes of the Four Seasons, and Whiting. Including the following interstates: Indiana Interstate 80 between mile markers 1 and 16. Indiana Interstate 90 between mile markers 3 and 21. Indiana Interstate 94 near mile marker 16. Indiana Interstate 65 between mile markers 233 and 261. This includes Indiana University Northwest, Purdue University Northwest Hammond, Indiana Motor Speedway, Lake County Fairgrounds, South Shore Railcats Baseball, and US 41 Dragway. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
and that's